It is my absolute pleasure to introduce to you Zepto. Zepto is an innovative disposable device for cataract surgery. It uses precision pulse technology. It's accurate. It's a reproducible capsulotomy that is quick, safe, and very affordable. The device is basically made up of silicone lens, much like you would see in a silicone IOL. This allows for visibility through the suction cup. It has a nitinol ring as well as an incision finder, but also it acts as a push rod to allow us to move this device through a small incision. Many, many nights, days, and years were taken with rabbit eyes to be able to do this over and over and over again, reproducible. The next phase coming out of rabbit eyes was to move into the direction of cadaver eyes. As you know, the geometry is very, very different. And again, what we saw, we had to make significant changes in the amount of power, the suction material. Again, we needed to be able to do this every time. Now, this is the actual full device in surgery with Dr. David Chang. Here you see the device is elongated, the push rod is retracted, the device now can be aligned over the visual axis. It sucks down onto the capsule, energy is delivered, and then the device folds back onto itself, and there you have the capsulotomy. How does this work? Well, the bottom edge of our capsulotomy ring lies up against the capsule at rest. Once suction is applied and pulled up against the ring, trapped water molecules are underneath the ring and the capsular bag, and at the same time increasing tensile strength. We have multiple pulse energy charges, all happening within a millisecond. Rapid phase transition of the water molecules, and then a very precise cleavage of the membrane. Temperatures have been analyzed on this, as you can see by this chart, minimal. More importantly, here is Miyake, a Miyake image viewing from underneath the eye. On the left side is a CCC. On the right side is a Zepto. We wanted to watch what happens to the zonules when we're doing this procedure. And as you can see on the left side, the rapid zonule movement, but basically on Zepto, virtually none. The next place was to look at the strength of this particular capsulotomy. Here above, and this is done in cadaver eyes, paired cadaver eyes, where here we see that we spent an enormous amount of time developing a device that would not measure the capsule strength, but measure the capsulotomy strength. And what you see here in a paired cadaver eye is that the strength is substantially stronger. So what do we have? An automated capsulotomy, low energy, precision pulse technology. It is quick, elegant, instantaneous, reduces procedure time, maximum edge extensibility, zonular safety, but something that there isn't out there today, the ability to center right on the visual axis. So why Zepto? Well, it's a unit of measurement, 1 million times smaller than femto. It's the little giant of capsulotomy, and perhaps the new gold standard. Thank you.